question about mind Terma, or I think it's Gongta. How does it work? Where is it stored, and how does it go from the past to the future?
Gongta mamo music go yo menena nge tendra lanta tendra mara lamna yo te mamo music ko konroji mare.
Maybe for the people who have not heard of mind Terma, then maybe if I say something, then maybe you still not understand about mind Terma treasures.
Taina yang gongter de karizende shina nga chung khasa teren gande ngorun boche ga ta terma pe mambo yora pe na renchen term zo ta pe mambo yore tene pe yorna tene tertun yarsa tertun yada jet samza ko tene pe mambo yore tene koranso te terchu te one ta nga ji 심직 심 용케 지 심직 시안을 지나 tene koran koji pe yore te maim baga ta termagol urjinde thakar drananguni ji ko kabun yore yana so gongter zide tene ta ngurun boche gteni perna tare chukan roazita ta maon nekamna tene mara ta titsud mo garson di mara nyam rora ta te manyim bi chetna to tene semgi sangwa tela tare ta mara je ta semgi sangwa tela ter de range ji zgon re perna ngachu kanezera perna ta te chu mombo ngare de tene namki khamna be nyuje yore ngare de tene chonong la be range je yore tene ngare de tar chaqnong la tare re yore tene gongter zikita tene ta thigi sangwa imzot tela ka ningi kagi sang imzot tela tene khanru density pa je ta ve nan tene re para ba yore tene ba yore tene yendi tene 다 티 tertun te ticho ngichin za thondi tene kurang ta datab na raman ra tene ta tene ta thigi samzut ne tene ngamang goron bo chi molum ji top ne chirtawa jend re yo pi terchu te so yang tene khanro ta churkyong terdok tela supa ga tene da kurne tene ta tenda kurne tene ramji ta tene ta doryon jo mambo yore ngama pena tingkon chenser mbo chenra na ran khambon jingme phanso na khong namba so na tene ta gongter pe mambo yore tene pena ngorun bo chega ne chapar chan sacha re thonsong di tene ta te ngoni jiting gi chartana je tene te chute rang khar ko thon je na tene mambo yore pena ngai na khambon jingbang trawan rogon di tene thare samgane tene gongter pe mambo zgi ge thopa yore.
So these treasures, these are generally speaking left by Padmasambhava, by Guru Rinpoche, and so these are treasures left by him a long time ago, and then later on there are people who reveal these treasures. So these can be texts or other physical things, or of course meaning. And there have been at least 100 treasure revealers, people who reveal these treasures in the past. And this is a big topic of research. You can look at how this has happened in the past. Then you also have this mind treasure. So these treasures, you could say, stored on the continuum of a person by Padmasambhava. And in order for these particular teachings not to be lost. So the idea is that teachings, they degenerate and they go lost, and then when the time is right, they can be revealed by the right type of person. So you have these sort of physical treasures, and these are found by treasure revealers in from the sky or from a lake or from a rock. But then you also have the mind treasures that are then stored on the mental continuum of a disciple of Padmasambhava. And then when the time is right, and the time is sort of announced by there being all kinds of signs, then this sort of becomes revealed. So when there's sort of this can be triggered by other people or dakinis and other things that happen, or being at a specific holy place or like a pilgrimage place that is associated with Padmasambhava. And then these type of treasures can be revealed. So there's some, in modern times, also famous treasure revealers such as Dilgo Khyentse Rinpoche and of course Jigme Phuntsho Rinpoche, who have then, traveling to specific places, started to, we'd say, remember things or come up with things that have been, or you could say, stored in the past, and that's sort of how a lot of these cycles of treasure cycles have come about.